Hey everyone, how's it going? It's your boy FreeMaxC2. It's your boy FreeMaxC2. And welcome back to another episode on
My REW swapped RX-8.
So, you guys are probably wondering,
Where is it? Where is it?
well, it's pretty simple. Life just happened all at once. But let me break it down for you. Baby, buying my first home and moving to Arizona, and lastly my work, which focuses a lot on COVID-19, and that basically doubled my hours of working every day. But that's not why I'm here today. Today, I'm here to reveal the next project. Actually, make that 2 next projects. So without further ado, let's reveal the next projects. That's right guys, we got an FD and an RX-8. Now you guys are probably asking why. The biggest factor is that I had to make a decision on where this channel will head to. Basically, the REW swapped RX-8 was coming to an end, but at that time, my friend offered me his FD. But I couldn't resist, who wouldn't, right? So the REW project had to go. Leave a comment below if you would do the same. Well, there you have it guys. I'm excited to work on the last 2 platforms that is keeping the Rotary spirit alive. I hope you guys like this update, and I'll see you on the next episode.